Now we need to add application users to each environment in the tenant. For that, we need to go to Power Platform Admin Center. We can see the screen. These all are my environments in the tenant. Now we need to create application users to each environment, and we already created app registration for the tenant. So let's add application users to each environment. For that, open environments, click on environment and click on settings and expand users and permissions. Click on application users. These all are my application users in my environment. To add new application user, click on new app user, click on add an app. It shows all app registrations in the tenant. Now we created this app registration. Let's select that app registration and click on add, and it's asking business unit. Let's select the business unit, and it's asking the security roles. So to give the security role, click on this pen icon. It will open up all security roles in the system, and we are supposed to give admin role to this application user. Click on administrator, click on save, and click on create. It's creating the application user to the environment. It's successfully added to the environment. This is the application user and status is active. Security role is 1. Now go back to the environment and open the application. Now go to advanced settings. Click on advanced settings, expand the settings, click on security, click on users. Enabled users are licensed user in the system, which means they got assigned license to this environment to access. But we added application user to this environment is added as enabled user in the environment, which means this application user can able to access this environment. But application users are always non-interactive accounts, which we cannot use for log into the system with the help of application users, but we can access the environment with application users to connect with other applications with the help of secret keys. Now we need to add application users to rest of the environments. Go to build environment, click on settings, expand users and permissions, click on application users, click on new app user, click on add an app, click on D365 underscore ALM, click on add and assign the business unit for this user, give this role, click on save, click on create. Application user got added to environment. Go to environments, open the UAT, click on settings, expand users and permissions, click on application users, Click on add app user, click on add an app, select the app, click on add, select the business unit, give the security role, click on save, click on create. It's successfully added to the environment. Go to the environments, open the environment, click on settings, this is how we add the application users to each environment in the tenant with the help of app registration, which we created in portal.azure.com. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.